4th of July, a long weekend where somehow got everyone into the car, meadows and wetland in the heart of Bellevue, offering a glimpse of the city's rural past. Our delight in the cherry orchard made the our car trip to Yakima. Welcome to another series where we're gonna pick some berries. Since Washington is the largest supplier of cherries in United States, apparently fruit picking is a huge deal. In the month of July this year, we found our berries picking farm and truly had no idea what we were in for. But as a family, it is one of the fun weekend idea. What all you should know if you go early. As the sun rises, it gets extremely hot over there.
Hey everyone, a very good morning. It's Rashmi here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Yakima where we're gonna pick some very sweet cherries. As you can see, there are plenty of cherries to pick. So let's begin our day.
Well, cherries are at prime time to pick, surrounded by orchards, authentic atmosphere. Besides, we check into the field, took a sneak peek to this cute offering general store at the entrance, offering souvenirs to food items with some syrup to jam and jellies and much more on list, where they inform about varieties of cherries it offers. You can pick from with price range of approximately $3 to $5 per ounce. Heading towards the much awaited season of this year, as a family we thoroughly enjoy. Here for the first time at Cherry U.s.a. farm. As you can see, the trees are loaded with cherries. The fun part about U.s.a. is all you can eat for free if you walk around and pick. Well, so much low-hanging cherry and you can easily fill your bucket. So basically we are picking the pink cherries which are red in color and the Mount Rainier cherries, the orange in color. Generally, cherries are ripe between last week of June and end of July, hence the time span is short. And there, we are good for the day. Just like strolling around the Barrett orchard and continuing with our way to blueberry field. Blueberries are an ideal U.s.a. crop for kids. Only a little tug to pick. Since the berries are not all ripened, so you have to be very careful while plucking.
And with that, here I sign off. I hope you guys like watching today's video, and if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you next week with another series. Goodbye.